Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming ports and gathering adapters. This speeds the rest of the process. Once done, connect the first monitor to the laptop's primary output, HDMI or USB-C with DP alt mode. Then plug the monitor into power and switch its input to the connected port. Make sure Windows detects the display. Open Settings System Display and click Detect if needed. You do this now so the second monitor adds cleanly, rather than troubleshooting two issues at once. Next, connect the second monitor using any available output. A spare HDMI/DP, a daisy-chainable DisplayPort, or a USB display adapter or docking station. Once connected and powered, go to Settings System Display and click Detect. Windows should show two rectangles. Drag them to match your physical layout, and choose Extend if you want extra workspace or Duplicate to mirror content. Make sure to set each monitor's resolution and scaling for clarity. And mark which screen is primary so taskbar and new windows open where you expect. Finish by applying the layout and testing common tasks. Move windows, play a video, and verify sharpness. Adjust scaling and resolution until text and UI look right. Secure cables and position monitors for ergonomics. Consider saving display profiles if your GPU utility supports them. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Swap the cable and input between monitors to isolate whether the issue is the cable, port, or monitor. Then update drivers, try the adapter on another device, and reboot the laptop if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.